Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 Compact, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen. Here you have to find and select the apps icon. Now choose settings. From the following list you need to select system, select the about phone options. Now let's scroll down and find the build number. Let's tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see, you are now a developer. So you can go back to previous list, and right here you can choose developer options. So here you can use all the developer features from the following list. For example, you can enable OEM Unlocking by using that switcher, tap enable, so you just allow the bootloader to be unlocked. You can also scroll down and select USB Debugging right here by using the following switcher. Let's read the warning and tap OK to allow the USB debugging. And basically that's it. Here you can use other developer options such as revoke USB debugging, authorizations, enable view attribute inspections, and other stuff. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.